you're stuck, talk with the person next to you. If you're making good progress, keep moving on. So you're starting with this. You need to find this. You can't do the cheating password yet. Yeah, no, you can't do it.
Is that right, though? The answer?
What? That's the slope, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but you can't do that yet. You can't do that yet. Some of you may know the pathway. You can't do that yet. So are people okay moving through this? Getting to f of x plus h? Anybody? Are we ready to look at that? No? All right. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, anytime we see the word instantaneous slope or tangent, the first thing we do is find the derivative. The derivative is the limit of this difference quotient, which we've been doing a little bit each time. So f of x plus h. Let's go ahead and write it right underneath. F of x plus h is everywhere I had an x, I now put an x plus h. So now I have this first one, and I need to subtract all of the second one. So I'll have, I'm just going to multiply this out as I go, 3x plus 3h. That's multiplying out plus 5. Minus the whole rest of it, 3x plus 5, all over h. You should expect lots of canceling. So the 3x's cancel, 3x minus 3x. 5 minus 5, they cancel. So all I'm left with is 3h over h. You have to do it the long way on homework.
No, that's fine.
So what do we know about this then? What's the answer to this limit?
3.
3. H's cancel, yes, that's true because they're multiplied factors, so 3. Could I have known that by looking at the problem?
Yeah.
What is the slope of a line?
3.
3. Okay, awesome. So we know that that's correct. So that's the slope of the line. How do I find the equation of the line? Well, I have slope equals 3. I have x equals 1. I need my y value. I have an f of x, f prime of x, and I have an f of x. Which one do I use to get the y value? F of x. I know that sounds like kind of a silly question, but at some point we're going to start getting multiple, well, you can get a second derivative. So we'll have multiple equations. You need to pay attention to which one you plug into to get what. So I'm going to plug in here, when I plug in x equals 1, I get 8. So now I have a point and a slope. I'm ready to write the equation of the line. Y minus 8, 3 times x minus 1. Solve for y. 3x minus 3 plus 8 from the other side. Is that surprising? At any point on here, the tangent line is the line. It doesn't change, right? So this makes sense. The tangent line to a line is the line. That makes sense. So let's look at one more. Do you want to do one more, or do we want to do a word problem? Let's do a word. One more? All right, I think we might have time for both. Okay, so same setup. Different function. So same setup, different function. So we're going to do the exact same thing. Instantaneous slope, tangent line, that's derivative. So find the derivative using the difference quotient and the limit, and then just keep going.